In this video, we will discuss pipe reporting. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file pipereporting.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides a few ways to do pipe reporting. You can use the panorama window or the toolbox. Let's navigate to the Prospector tab, expand our pipe networks, expand the Networks category, and then right-click on Storm-1 and click on Edit Network. Within the Network Layout tools, let's go ahead and click on the Pipe Network Vistas. The panorama window will appear, and you get two vistas that display the pipes and the structures within your pipe network. You can then scroll through here and change things, or just view the parameters and settings defined here. If you want to copy any of this information to another application, you would simply select all your objects you want to report on, right-click, and choose Copy to Clipboard. Then, while in Excel, do a Control-V, and it brings them in as column delimited. If you navigate to the Toolbox tab, expand the Reports Manager, you'll notice that there is a Pipes category. You can report on pipes, pipes and structures, structures and CSV. To execute any of these, simply double-click it. This will create an XML file, and then Civil 3D will use a style sheet to report on it. We'll clear all, and simply click on the Pick from Drawing, and we'll navigate to the pipe network that we want to report on. We'll pick on our storm, press Enter, and if you scroll down, you'll notice that it is highlighting that pipe network object. Click OK, and at the prompt, you can name this Storm-1, and then click Save. Civil 3D will then report on the pipe and structures in your default browser. You can then, of course, save it to an Excel spreadsheet or whatever application you want to.